In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to create an AI UGC ad for a mortuary. And this is the result of this tutorial.
In the most difficult moments, we want to be there for you. Cremation is a dignified, simple, and respectful option to say goodbye to your loved one. We are here to help you every step of the way. Write to us.
So first of all, we need to go to Novoads AI, and here you need to create an account. After that, you will arrive here. And well, here you can see that I was preparing the tutorial. So well, now we have to go to the image section. Now here we have to paste the following prompt. This prompt is going to be in the comment section, and you can just modify it as you want. Then we have to go to settings, and now in model, we're going to use GPT Image 2. Then the quality, we're going to use the medium quality. This because it's much cheaper than the high quality. And in my personal opinion, the quality is really similar. And now we have to click here. Now, as you can see, the images are being generated. So now we have to wait more or less 1 minute. Here we have 3 images, and now we have to choose the one we like the most. Personally, I liked this one, so we have to download it. And now we have to go to the video section. Here we have to go to settings, and you can use Seedance 2.0 or Clink 3.0. In this case, let's use Clink 3.0. But in my personal opinion, the two are really good AI models, and the price is the same. So now we have to click here, and now we have to upload the image that we download. So now let's click here. And finally, here where it says describe your video, I'm going to use this prompt. Here, be careful, because for example, here I created a dialogue for a 15 seconds video. If you don't want to create a dialogue, you don't have to do it. But if you create one, be careful that the duration of the dialogue could be, say, in the time of the video. For example, don't create a very short dialogue, for example, this short, if your video is a 15 seconds video, because the person, in this case, this guy, is going to say this, and then is going to say whatever the AI wants. So, well, this dialogue is designed for a 15 seconds video. As you can see, the duration is 15 seconds. So now let's click here. Finally, click in generate. And now we have to wait more or less 3 to 4 minutes. Perfect. Here we have the video. So now let's see it.
In the most difficult moments, we want to be there for you. Cremation is a dignified, simple, and respectful option to say goodbye to your loved one. We are here to help you every step of the way. Write to us.
Well, as you can see, the video looks really good. So if you want to do a video like this one, you can try today Novoads AI for just $1. And then if you don't like it, you can just cancel anytime. So after saying that, if you have any doubts, you can comment in the comment section, and see you in the next video.